them so much. I am going to Turkey. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are noticing, this is the new camera that I just started using. My name is Alexandra. If you are new here, I'm gonna start a little get ready with you guys because this is gonna be a fun vlog. So I have a exciting update. I am going to Turkey. This is for work, so I thought I would do a little prep because I have not started packing. I have not started honestly doing anything. I am going to the mall today because I really need to buy some things. I need to find at least 3 dresses. I think they're gonna all be black, to be honest. And maybe possibly like walking comfortable shoes. So the shoes are maybe, but the dresses are for sure. I really need dresses. So I'm gonna do that for today. I'm gonna go to the mall. He's gonna come with me. Also need to wash my brushes. These are my dirty brushes that I really need to wash. I work 9 to 5 as a social media coordinator, and this is my first big girl work trip, I guess you could say, because we did one earlier this year to Vegas, but this one is going to be a big one. So I'm excited to take you along. I'm going to do my best to like vlog here and there and all that stuff, but I am going to be working, so of course I'm not going to film like every single thing, but I want to still take you guys along because I've literally never been to Turkey. I've never been to Istanbul. I've honestly never been to that side of the world in general. We are currently in the works of planning our first trip to Europe overall for next year in May because one of my friends is getting married there. But other than that, I have not been to that side of the world. I should have some free days, if not like at least half free days or something. So I'm excited to take you along and just like do all that. In either way, when I am working, I'll still be able to actually see a lot of the touristy places because it's part of our itinerary for work. So I'm super excited. I'm just gonna add a little bit of contour. But yes, I have so much packing to do. I haven't started. This is gonna be a 13-hour plane ride. Like just one plane ride. So it's gonna be my first time flying this much at once. I obviously have been to Peru. If you don't know, I'm Peruvian, and it's always like a 2-flight situation. But this one is actually long, just a 13-hour flight, so it's gonna be interesting. But I am excited to pack and prep with you all and get ready for this. My favorite blushes that I literally use all the time, every day, are these ones right here by Merit Beauty. And I am so excited because they just released their Merit Holiday Beauty sets. So they sent over these 2 right here. I kid you not, I love them so much. They are so cute. So in here is the Mini Flush Balm Trio. This is what it looks like. This is a set of soft burgundy, baby pink, and brown pink. It is so cute. The packaging is adorable. Another favorite is their lipsticks. Cute. This is other holiday sets. It's adorable. This comes with Bespoke, Black Tie, and Du Jour. So these are all limited edition shades. Actually, I use mine all the time, literally. I'm gonna use it today. I also like to use the blushes on the lips as well sometimes, especially for work. I don't really wear a lot of makeup, to be honest. I keep it super simple. Like my go-to is Merit blushes and Merit concealer, and then I'm usually good to go. And also the Merit brow gel. But other than that, I keep it pretty simple. Honestly, Merit is my go-to when it comes to makeup overall, like everyday makeup, because I don't like cakey makeup. So highly recommend these. These are perfect also for like stocking stuffers. I know I'm talking like Christmas already and it's super early, but I am so excited for the holiday season. Okay, so I'm gonna use Ginger. This one is one of my favorites. It's so good. It's literally such a pretty shade. It's perfect. I love taking this and putting this in my bag and just taking it everywhere with me. But I'm going to finish getting ready and then we're gonna head over to the mall and go shop. See, I forgot the cat. This is gonna take some getting used to. T-shirt is cropped. I actually got a secondhand. It's just a little old car. I think it's from Brandy Melville. What is this? Oh, it's part of the car. I think it's from Brandy Melville. I actually don't know. This is my favorite bag ever off a TikTok shop. This is actually my work bag. I love this so much. I want to do a what's in my bag at some point as well. But then I'm just wearing my Zara jeans and my New Balance. So, outfit. I had these yesterday and they're really good. I had the mango one. Still getting used to this camera, but I just realized that we're at 49% and The reason being is that I was doing a bunch of like going through the settings on this camera because I was trying to get like a wider shot, because I felt like when I got the camera it was like cropped. Like I feel like it was like right here. But now you see the wide, it's easier to figure it out. So I was literally googling so many things and I couldn't find it. Also, this camera has the side screen. This camera has the screen on the side instead of on the top of the monitor. I still get nervous filming in public, but nothing wrong. Caesar went to his appointment, so we're gonna go to H&M first and then Zara. Okay, this jacket is so comfortable. Like the inside is like padded. It's so nice. Okay. It is oversized, but this is already an extra small, I think. This is really comfortable. This could be one of the dresses. It's long, but it's comfortable. Okay, we got a few things at H&M. Next up is Zara. Okay, I am back. We ate some food and now it is like 3. We also took Leo for a walk. It was warm outside, so I needed to like cool off for a little. But I thought I would show you things that I got. So I ended up getting some things from Zara and then also H&M. So I am excited to show you. I think these will work out. I tried on literally almost 90% of everything that I got. So I just need to make sure that it goes together and stuff like that. But I mainly bought a lot of black because that's what I was trying to get. I didn't end up getting any shoes. I just thought like I'll just make what I have work. First up is H&M. So I also have a package from H&M coming on Wednesday and today's Sunday. So it's kind of like a tight schedule between the time that I leave on Thursday. But I'll be fine. I think it'll work out. But those things were not really for work. They're just kind of like fall items that I wanted to get. So I would have loved to do like a separate fall haul, but I don't know if I'll end up doing that because of the tight schedule that I have. I ended up getting this dress. This one is from H&M. So this is what it looks like. I don't like it like 100%, but I think it's super comfortable. It's more like it makes me feel older, but it is super comfortable. It is a little bit bigger on me than I expected. It's a size small, so I really wanted an extra small, but they didn't have one, so I just ended up going with it. I will also try everything on again and just see what I will keep. I ended up getting this t-shirt. This one is a size medium and $14.99. This one looks like this. It's got like little ruffles. I thought this would be good to pair with the skirt that I got. This alone could be one outfit. So this is just a black satin skirt, which I think is a staple. I've been wanting one for a long time because I have like 2 satin skirts, and one is like pink and one is orange, and I do not have a black one, which is so random because black is like an essential. So I ended up getting this one in size small, and this was $24.99. It's just a simple, super simple black skirt, and it's satin, so I really like it. I feel like I'll use it for sure. I'm gonna keep this one. Like, I feel like it's a must-have for sure. Now from Zara, I ended up actually finding a dress. So this black dress for sure I do want to keep and I want to wear. This was $35.90. So this is what it looks like. I like how it fits. So it has kind of like a cinch right there situation. I don't know what it's called. It's not like long sleeve, it's short sleeve and high neck. And yeah, it's just super long and it's not like too tight on the body, you know. So it's super comfortable. Then these 2 things that I got are not really for work, but I do plan to take them anyways on the trip just in case. So I got this top. This is like well, it's like a long sleeve from Zara. Size small. It was $25.90. So this is what it looks like. I feel like this green is super cute. I actually don't think I have like a green like this. I used to have a long sleeve from Zara that was similar to this color, but I don't have it anymore. I've had it for so long, so I got rid of it. But this one right here is super nice. It feels super stretchy and comfortable, and it's not a bodysuit, which is why I wanted it, because I feel like a lot of these like tight-fitted, nice long sleeves are bodysuits, and I don't really like bodysuits. This is a sheer long sleeve, so I have to wear something under it. I'm thinking already like a black like tank top or something, or I don't know. but it is so cute. This is perfect for like a night out. I love all the different colors. I feel like they're so fun. It's so hard when you're petite or like 5'2" because a lot of the things that are already like said to be oversized are even more oversized on me. So there was a brown jacket that I really loved. It was like a super cute jacket from H&M. Another one from Zara, similar but a different color. I feel like it's one of those trendy jackets that you like see on Pinterest all the time nowadays, especially for fall. But again, super big on me, so things are oversized already, and then when I put them on, they're even oversized already. Even more, like twice as much. So I didn't get any of that. I will show you though some PR that I got. So Pacifica sent over these little things right here. They let me pick a few things. So this is the Dream Lit Under Eye Brightener. This is what it looks like. And then this one right here is the Dream Lit Glow Concealer Corrector. This one right here. They sent over those, and then also the Pacifica Reusable Mask Brow. So I'm so excited to use this. I want to use this before my trip and just like try it out here. This might be like a 2-part vlog because I've been vlogging a lot. But It Cosmetics, they're one of my favorites. They always remember me, and I am so grateful. They sent over some goodies. This is their new CC Plus Anti-Aging Serum. They have like SPF 50 and then also color correcting full coverage cream. And these blushes are new, so got both of these. They look so cute. I haven't opened them yet, so I'm excited to try this in a little reel or something. But this is the It Cosmetics Glow with Confidence Sun Blush. So I'm not sure if they're powder or cream. They might be powder or they might be cream. I don't know. Also, before I forget, Maybelline actually sent over these lippies, which are so cute. I already tried one of them and I've been wearing one of them. The color is incredible. It was like a maple, it's like a maple shade, the one that I tried. But these are so cute. They're very creamy lipsticks. Also, I got this at an event I went to a while ago and I have yet to try it. And today is one of those days where I feel really tired. But I really need to film my content, especially my paid collabs, because I leave in a couple days. So I am going to try this one out. This is the Georgie energy drink with benefits. It has 0 grams of sugar and just 5 calories. It has biotin and vitamins like B6 and B12. So let's try it out. This is Sparkling Watermelon Splash. How does this not have sugar? This is so sweet. That is crazy. And it's only 5 calories. It's really good. It tastes like watermelon. Let's film a lot of content and get as much possible as I can. Cheers. It is 6:49 now. I am sweating. It is so hot inside here. I don't know why. I feel like it's because I've been moving around. But I finished filming 2 paid collabs, so I just have to edit those tomorrow. I had a 3rd one to do for actually YouTube, but I'm just gonna do that tomorrow or on Tuesday because I am so tired. And also I would have to set up like the box lights because it's kind of getting dark in here. This water bottle is my holy grail water bottle. I'm so sad I don't plan to take it to Turkey because it's definitely gonna be way too big. It's helped me so much to drink so much more water. I finished those. I am just about to edit actually a video that I want to post on like YouTube Shorts and TikTok and Instagram, stuff like that. So today's been very much like a content day, but I'm gonna stop working soon. We're gonna watch a movie soon and probably order something for food, but I don't know what. Yes, I'll probably continue this vlog tomorrow. But thanks for watching. Yeah.